Chuck that order in and I'll do it straight after this. Masterworks 22323. Good luck, y'all. 5 times, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top is a Sarge Ventress all the way down to Carson Taver. That is 5 times. Get rid of it. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. All right. Here we go. So if you go on to where you picked up your spots, you'll have a number next to your name. You then scroll down to the list below. There'll also be a number next to your name. Next to a character's name. So for example, in 137, it's Cosca Reeves, the character. If you were in spot 137, like Rob LHB, you'd have Cosca Reeves, a.k.a. Sasha Banks, a.k.a. Mercedes Monet. Here we go. All right, Carson Taver. Finn off. Jyn Erso. That is sourced fabric relic. That's cool. Darth Vader, also sicko, and Torodoza. 1 of 5. Wow, that is unassuming. 1 of 5 Torodoza. That is very unassuming. Like if you... Obviously, there's a little bit of difference with the shine. But they... Okay, I guess it almost shows on camera better than it does real life. Like if you look, you can almost get the same sort of shine. So, as I said, you go to where you picked up your spots, and you have a number next to your name. You then will have a number next to the character list down below, and you look at them. Look at the number next to both. So, Rody Book. Hey, hello to 299, Darth Vader. Darth Vader going off. And Saw Gerrera. Andrew Casino to 99 is Saw Gerrera. Unfortunately, not the live action. IG88 and BB8. Scad, Leia, and of course, he's in every box. Cad Bane, Dorian Kingy is Cad Bane. Obi-Wan Kenobi, and a blue, Third Sister. Which I've now learned is Reba. Drash, Tamravora, and an auto of Morgan Elsbeth. Diana Eaton Santos, 99 is Morgan Elsbeth. Big job of the butt. And a blue, Yarrick Yeager, and that is Masterworks 22323. So yeah, you'll have a number next to your name. There'll be a number next to a character down in the list below. That's how you figure it out. No, not as good as Jar Jar, unfortunately. I can't believe we got a card number to 5 and how crazy it is. Like it's just not like any other card number to 5. Masterworks 22323.